I don't know if you can see me. I'm sure you can. That's a thing. So it is 3 o'clock and I haven't obviously showered yet, and I haven't done any vlogging yet because I was finishing editing my video and learning new things about different animation screen overlays. So I tried something new in my vlog and I'm really proud of it, so I don't feel bad. I should probably mute that. Hold on. So I'm going to shower because it's 3 o'clock and I haven't showered. I already said that, but I went to bed at like midnight last night, and when I woke up this morning I wasn't feeling great, so I went back to bed, and then I've been sitting on my couch all day doing my editing and stuff. So now it's I can't believe it's 3 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm gonna change the ink in my printer so I can finally print out my checklist, have the satisfaction of checking off yesterday's tasks, and then pick what I'm gonna do today. I still don't have eggs. I think Kevin is gonna check the store in a bit to see if we can get some eggs today, because yesterday they were out. And if not, I know applesauce for some things is an egg substitute, but yeah. Anyway, let's go on with our day. That's the thing she uses.
Was it?
Uh-huh.
This thing?
No, the
music?
Music.
Oh. Look at that giant. I don't have patience for that.
I had a job selling insulation. It was made up of newspaper. Go door to door, demos.
Hello everyone, I'm Colin Cadet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a templating, or what they call an L-fence, for your table saw. A very handy accessory, and it uses one of my favorites, the magnetic switches. So
I don't have I can't use magnetic switches. My tabletop is plastic.
Plastic.
Plastic. Okay, so I don't need this. I've seen it before. I just watched that.
Colin Cadet.
Yep, this is the 1/8" plywood box he's made. So you can see it right by his head.
Cute. See, that would be something that would be really cute to put, like, organized makeup or little things that can go.
It's 1/8" plywood.
Uh-huh.
There are no screws. There's no nails. There's no brads. It's simply glued together, and the corners are held together with
E6000.
blue painter's tape.
Uh-oh.
And then he puts a bead of glue here and a bead of glue here, and he sticks it in the corner to hold it together.
Huh.
The sides sit on top of the base.
Okay.
So you just tape your sides, everything together.
Mm-hmm.
You set it on top of the base, and then you start putting in the supports to go there, and then up in the corners, and you're done.
Huh.
And then you just let it dry. And he says it stays together.
Well, son of a bitch.
Son of a bitch. Isn't that nice?
Ain't that nice?
Ain't that nice?
Okay, kids, so here we are making my perfect apron. I decided that a lot of the aprons that I have are just a little too narrow for a plus-size body, and I thought, well, why not make a bigger one that would fit a little better? I also used to have an apron that had a crossback on it, and I really thought that that was much more supportive. This apron is going to be used for more than just cooking. I also plan on learning how to whittle, and I need something that's going to, protect me from a knife or something. So I want to be able to use a higher density fabric, so something like a denim or a heavy canvas, and that can get kind of heavy, so having a crossback system is a lot better. I also decided that the tie in front was a bad idea. I don't normally like that for cooking anyway, because then the ties hang down when you maybe put something in the oven. And I thought, well, let's just tie it in the back. I thought, well, I'll make the strings long enough that they can wrap around the front to the back, and then realized I could just go to the back. So you'll see me delete that later. But I wanted something that was wider, a body that's wider, and a apron length that's longer, maybe just above the knee. And also, why not have them in fun colors like butter and salt yellow? I know that there's a couple of companies out there that make really good quality, fun aprons, but they're extremely expensive. I'm sure that making this myself is not going to be any cheaper, but I can make it myself to fit my specs. I think that would be great. I also have a pocket for a thermometer down at the bottom flap, and I have a little hook spot on the top for a timer. And then I'm also planning on adding a little extra canvas tab kind of thing for where I can put a tea towel hanging off of it. So yeah, that's my perfect apron in my head right now. I might start sourcing some fabric. I hope you have a wonderful day. Like, comment, subscribe, and visit our